It's not going to be uncommon for tests to, the computer to mess up or the people to get logged out or lose the internet connection. So at times you'll have to reset the test for them to retake it. A couple things you can do. I'm going to show you the steps you're going to have to take to get rid of them. So first you go down to the grade center and you can open that up. If you just press on this arrow to the side, it will open the full grade center, or you can just go down here and select full grade center or assignments or tests. I'll go ahead and do the full grade center. And then you look for the students. I'd already seen that the student had an extremely low score. She answered she answered the first question and the bonus question and didn't answer any of the others. So I wasn't sure why that happened. But what you're going to do is you'll come over here in the why is it not showing up? Oh, that's the total. I'm not on the right one. There it is. Hit this down arrow, click on the attempt to bring the attempt up. And this is where you can kind of look through and see she answered question number 1. If they don't answer, it'll say none given. And then that's why I said she went down here and answered the very last question, which was your bonus question. So that's how she got 4 points. To kind of check, sometimes people have extremely low scores on tests, and I think they may not have finished the test, but you kind of look at it and see they've answered everything. They just didn't study. You can also look at that little chevron for test information, bring down, and it'll tell you they were in there for 1 minute out of the 30 minutes. If you click on this access log, it will also give you a little more information. It tells you how long they spent on each item. She probably got to went through all the questions, look at them, got to the last one, and accidentally submitted it, is what occurred, and then it won't let you go back into it once you submitted it. It gives you a warning, but if you don't heed that warning and you click OK, then it submits the test. So that's more likely what occurred. But you can tell, she was only in there, a minute and 1 second, and it shows that she submitted the test. So that's more than likely what happened. So what we're going to do is we're going to clear this out so it won't have any grades, so she can retake it. All you have to do is click clear attempt. Now I'm already going to have it done for her, so you won't have to do this. So I'll hit clear attempt, and it will remove that attempt, and then it should, actually it's going to scroll me to another person and just show you the access log of someone that's actually taken 13 minutes to do the test. You can see it talks, it'll show when they save a question. This place they went to the next one and left it blank. It'll say that they saved question number 13 several times in that short period of time, and so forth. It just kind of lets you know where they're at. So we're going to exit out of this now because we've already cleared her out. Now when you come in here, she'll have no score for the quiz number 1. Then we have to go back to the quizzes to open it up for her, and it's going to be an exception. So we'll hit quizzes, and they've only got the one quiz in place. I'll hit the down button to go to edit the quiz options. And then we'll scroll down here to where it says the test availability exceptions, and we're going to add something. So we're going to add her, and then I'll have to find her in here. Let's see, it was Lucero Guerrero, and there she is. One thing you can do is you can click on here, and it'll put it in order under first name. If you don't have that many students, so it's not that bad. But if you have 25 students, sometimes it's easier if they're put in order. At least for me, it is. So all you do is you put a check mark in her name and hit submit, and then you can decide when you want to open the test up. You can open it up, let her take it at home or take it early, or however you want to do it. But you'll click on here availability, and then you'll set a time in here, and I'll set it to open up. So your class is on Tuesday, and I'll set it to open up at 6 o'clock is what you said. You can come in here and change this to however you want. If you want, you can have her just take it at home. And all you have to do is, if you set a time frame, is just open it up for her, and it will be available for her anytime. And then we'll just got to set a time that it's no longer available to her, and I'll set that for Tuesday and just leave it for midnight. And then it won't be available to her anymore. So that's saved. So on the 4th at 6 o'clock, if she goes on there, it will be there. If you want her to take it earlier, let her take it at home sometime. All you have to do is come in here and change the date right here. And actually, if you click on the little calendar, the dates will come up there. And if you click on the time, then you can just select the time frame there, and then just hit save. So that's how that's done. One other thing I want to show you while I'm here, I'll make sure you hit the submit button. One other thing I wanted to show you while I'm here, if we go back to that grade center, how you can kind of look and see how your, whether the questions were good, or maybe something wasn't covered right, or something of that sort. We can do what's called an item analysis. You click on item analysis, then you'll just hit run. I already ran it already, but and then you click on the quiz number, and it will bring it up and tell you how many people attempted each question, and the difficulty. 100% means everybody got it right. Low difficulty means this one 10% got it right, so only one student got this one right. And if you click on that, it'll actually tell you which questions, what answers they gave. So they were kind of all over the ballpark on that one. So it just kind of gives you an idea on whether the question's good or bad and so forth. And that's just for your basic information. Well, okay, I'm going to go ahead and post this up on YouTube and send you the link to it. You just kind of have to decide how you want to handle that student, whether you want to take it right before class, or after class, or let her take it when she's let her take it at home. That's kind of up to you.